In this video, I will show you how to install XAMPP on Windows as a development environment. First of all, we need to download XAMPP from apachefriends.org. Open your browser and in the URL type apachefriends.org. Choose operation system that you use. I will choose Windows as I am using Windows. If the download does not start automatically, click to the link here. Download process started. The download process is finished. Let's open the installation file. Click to the OK. Next. As we can see here, the setup file suggests us to install some extra apps. We can turn off these checkboxes as we don't need them. I will leave phpMyAdmin and MySQL as it is required for me. I will use them. Click to the next. Choose the folder where you want to install XAMPP. I will use the default directory, which is cdisk and XAMPP. Click to the next. Click to the Allow Access. The setup process was completed, and after clicking to finish, it will automatically run the app. XAMPP is successfully installed and we can run Apache and MySQL modules that are required by Drupal. To run these modules, click on the Start button next to these modules. If your operation system asks for permission, click to the Allow Access. To make sure that everything works, open a new tab, type localhost. Now we see the XAMPP dashboard, which means that everything works as needed. In this video, we will install Drupal and prepare it for local development. First of all, we need to download Drupal codebase. Open a new tab and write drupal.org/download. Scroll a bit and click to the download Drupal with zip format. Download process was finished. Let's open archive that we just downloaded. In the archive, we see Drupal 10.2.4, which is our Drupal version. Inside this folder, we will see Drupal project files. Now we need to extract this folder into our XAMPP application folder. Click to the extract. Choose the directory cdisk, XAMPP, and in the XAMPP folder you will see folder htdocs. We need to extract it here. Click to the select folder and extract. The zip file was extracted. As we will use the name in the URL, let's set more simple name. Rename Drupal 10.2.4 to some simple name. I will call it wizard. After renaming the folder, we can access the Drupal installation using browser. Open a new tab and write localhost / and the name of your folder. In my case, it's wizard. It opens Drupal installation page. First step is a language setting. I prefer English, so I will move to the next step. clicking Save and Continue. Second step is choosing the profile. We will use a standard profile because it will enable several core modules and it has more default configuration, including several default admin tools. The minimal profile has only a few very basic modules installed. This profile is useful if you only want very specific features. In this course, we will use the standard profile. Click to the Save and Continue. It is okay to have this error page. It's because the GDPHP extension is not enabled by default in XAMPP, and it is easy to fix. We need to open XAMPP, and in the next to Apache module, click to the config php.ini. Here we need to find the line extension equal to GD. And semicolon, the start of the line means that this line is commented. We have to remove this semicolon and save this file. We can close it now. And after making changes in php.ini file, we have to restart Apache. So click to the stop and start. Apache is restarted. Now we can refresh the browser tab. We see that error is gone. We have here warning, but it's more recommendation than problem. So we can scroll down and click to the continue anyway. In this step, we need to configure the database. The database Drupal will use to store the data. We need to open XAMPP dashboard, open a new tab and write localhost. In the top right side, you will see phpMyAdmin. Click to it. phpMyAdmin is a tool to manage tables and data inside the database. We will use it to create a new database for Drupal. In the left side, click to the new. Choose database name. I will write Drupal and make sure that the encoding is UTF-8 and before General C. Click to the create. The database successfully created. Now we can write the details in the installation page. The database name, I choose Drupal. Database username is by default root for XAMPP. And you can leave empty database password. Click to the Save and Continue. The installation process is started. Let's wait until it will be finished. Installation is finished. This is the last step where we need to set some basic configuration. Write a site name. I will write Wizard. Site email address. You can put your email address. Username. Password is for admin. Default country and default time zone is not required, so you can leave it empty. And click Save and Continue. We can see from the status message that our Drupal website is successfully installed and the website is ready. So we can click to the reports in the administration menu and click to the status report. Here we can see the Drupal version. In our case, it is 10.2.4. When you will do the same steps, it can be a bit different because Drupal is doing sometimes updates. We just successfully installed Drupal and it is ready for the development. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment and I will answer them. Thanks for the watching.